This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a tree-lined stretch of Sheridan Road in Lakeview, just west of Lakeshore Drive, for a walk through one of the apartments at Sheridan Shores. I'm in apartment 306, looking at a spacious living dining area. Plenty of room to accommodate a lot of furniture and a home office desk. Heading toward the dining area and kitchen. Entry is off to my left, and there's a coat closet. Another closet on a wall of the dining area. Ceiling fan up above, turning into a galley-style kitchen. Wide appliance package includes a built-in microwave and dishwasher. It's a 4-burner gas range. Granite counters. Good cabinet and counter space. Looking back toward that living dining area, you have through-the-wall air conditioning, baseboard heating. Unusual to have air conditioning in some Lakeview East apartments. Another unusual touch is that you have parking on site. Heading toward the bedroom and bath, there's a linen closet outside the bath, which is freshly updated. Has a wide mirror, gray tile on the floor and in the tub surround. Bedroom can accommodate any size bedding. Again, you have that oak hardwood flooring and you have a wide closet. Overall, unusually good closet space. Sheridan Shores has a very appealing location with great access to public transit, a lakefront, shops, bars, dining, you name it. You definitely want to put Sheridan Shores on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.